Here behind me is the Guzzler. All the PDIs have been done and we're now ready to load it for the final trip. The Guzzler is a massive big vacuum cleaner. It's a dry vacuum cleaner and it's ideal for the mining industry because of the cyclone system that makes sure that there is no dust being exhausted in the vacuumation of any high dust material. It's taken us quite a while to get the manufacturing done, shipped from America to South Africa, and then we spent another 6 weeks trying to homologate it to the South African road ordinance rules. This machine is unique. It's because of the 4 cyclones that it has that suppresses any dust that is sucked in through the vacuumation operation. So therefore it's very environmental friendly. Dust is one of the things that causes major problems in filtration of the vacuumation system, and it needs to be controlled. But this is the 3rd machine that we've bought from Elgin.